Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Halation, how do we get it on our videos? And what is it? Halation is just a film effect, really. It just makes it look like your thing was on old film, okay? It makes your lights pop a little bit more. And how do we do it? I'll show you how, okay? Head up into effects. No, that's wrong. The first thing you want to do, hold Alt and just drag your clip above it so you make a copy, okay? Now, head up into effects and you want Luma key, drag and drop that onto your top clip, and then you also want Gaussian blur as well, okay? Drag and drop that onto your top clip. Head up then into effect controls, and under Luma key you want your threshold to be 90 and you want your cutoff to be 85. And then that's it for Luma key. And with your Gaussian blur, just adjust the blurriness till you get it to a nice level. Okay, I quite like 60. Okay, that's it. That's how you get halation in Premiere Pro. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.